Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick and easy how to get lashes that are like sort of like how to get the false lash effect. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It is very quick and easy. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and let's get straight into it. So this is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, and I will show you the wand. Not everyone would like this one. Before, I never used to like these ones as well. I used to like the thin ones, but honestly I think this works very well. I just love Essence mascaras. I've been using Essence mascaras for like since I even started makeup. I have all the other ones as well, but I always go to these. Like, I think this is honestly amazing for the price. I think it was $6.10 or $5.10. It's roughly around that. So honestly, for the price, this is really good. At the moment, I've been using the False Lash Effect one, but there's this one that is the Lash Princess Volume Mascara as well. So they're both Lash Princesses. I used to use the Volume Mascara a lot, but I'm really into the False Lash Effect one now. I'm just going to apply that and show you like how well it actually does apply. Also, we are going to be using a lash curler so we can get as much volume and curl them a bit. Like, my lashes are quite curled already, like they're naturally curled, but if you have lashes that are very straight, you need a curler. Even with me, it does make a difference, so you need a curler. This one was $1 from Shop Miss A. I'm just going to start with this and I'm just going to curl my lashes. So I remember someone saying that they use this with a blow dryer and they heat it up first and then they put it on. Apparently that's really good, so if you want to try that, you can. So now we are going to go in with our mascara. So what you do is you just start applying it. So we do downwards once, not too much because that can make it really clumpy if you do it too much. So I say just do downwards once so we can get the top parts with mascara as well. So just downwards once is fine, and then the rest just keep going and keep brushing it. Curl it as well, like this. So it's not too clumpy, so we can get the clumpiness away. It's so easy. It's less than like 2 seconds. That's basically it. So if you can see, there is a difference. I am going to do the bottom of this as well so you can see. And with the bottom part as well, the bottom part is very important. What I just did. So angry. I'll tell you how to get rid of that as well. But just leave that there for now. So I just basically just wiggle the bottom part. So for this, you just get a spoolie. If you do not have a spoolie, you can just use a cotton earbud thing. But for this, you literally, make sure it's dried off and just scrape it off like that. And then just go in with a random brush and just pat that like that. So I'm just going to do this eye and I will be right back. Now that I've finished both these eyes, yeah, that's the end of the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!